talk about 2017, it's a lot easier to talk about it now, by the end of 2018, because it's would be a kind of black and white if you make a comparison between 2017 and 2018. You have many things in common, but at the end it's black and white. 2017 is black. We started in August, like for 2018, but with a big trouble of botrytis during the month of August in 2017. So we had to pick quite early and quite quick and not very ripe, and we had to struggle during all the harvest. Really, it was a race against the clock. The quickest harvest in Bollinger ever. We picked everything in 9 days. Usually the harvest of Bollinger is between 18 to 20 to 23 days. So you see, big challenge, and big challenge too with wine growers, with grape supplier, because we had to fight with them to ask them to do their best to pick the best grape, and even with all this best effort, we had some poor wines, let's say poor wines, in 2017. The only good result in 2017 is Chardonnay. No trouble with Chardonnay, but not great Chardonnay, but no problem. But with Pinot Noir and Pinot Meunier or Meunier, we had a lot of problem, not about botrytis, but around botrytis. In fact, it's what we call, I don't know the English word for that, but let's say over-infection, and then you can get some bad taste in the wine, and especially in 2017, what we call the fresh mushroom taste. And we had to make lots and lots and lots of analysis. Usually in Bollinger we do about 1,500 analysis on the juices coming in. In 2017 we made more than 5,000 analysis to do the best selection for wines. But even with that, we had some bad wines in 2017, and quite a lot of bad wines in 2017. It was very obvious after a few weeks that we couldn't make a vintage with 2017, and we really focused on the non-vintage in Bollinger and on special cuvée, and the blend that we decided to bottle in 2018 was a blend with the highest amount percentage of reserve wine ever in a non-vintage of Bollinger. We are over 60% of reserve wine. So we used only very few wines of 2017 because the year was very, very, very difficult for me. It was I'm 52. It's my 25th harvest, and it was the worst harvest of my life. Worst in quality and worst in stress too, because it was very short, but really, really, it's not a good time when you spend your harvest going to see people that are upset, that are not happy with the grapes, that are not happy with what they are picking, that are not happy with the juices, and that with people that already know during harvest that they are not going to make great wines. But that can happen sometimes in Champagne, and it happened in 2017. Exactly, 17 is black and 18 is the exact opposite of 2017. So this is crazy year, because usually journalists, they ask us, can you compare that with one vintage? And for us, my answer is no, I I can't compare that with one vintage because it's so exceptional that I have to compare that with 3 vintages. In fact, with 2002, 2003 and 2004. Because if you look at the crop, you can think about 2003 because we started to pick in August, very early in August. We started to pick in Hailly-en-Verzenay on the 23 of August, so very early, like in 2003. Very ripe, like in 2003, and with a good quality, no botrytis at all for all the grapes, like in 2003. But then, if you look at the analysis of the wine, of the juices in 2018, you are close to 2002. In fact, even if it's very ripe, if it's August harvest, you have a good acidity, the pH are quite low, and a lot of tartaric acid, which is really good for the acidity of the wine. So it's looking like 2002 if you compare for the profile, the analysis profile of the wine. And then 2004, because in 2018 we had a beautiful crop, let's say a generous crop, like in 2004. And that's really good because after 2017 we had quite a few tanks of 2017 wines that were not good at all. So because of this generous crop, we can split this 2017 with 2018 wines and make some very, very good quality wines for 2018. So that's going to be a lot easier than last year to make the blend for non-vintage. Of course, we are going to make the Göldenboog 18, and as I told you, 2017 was the shortest and worst crop of my life. 18 was the longest because with this generous crop we had to pick for a long time. But the easiest one because everybody was smiling. All the grapes everywhere were looking perfect. All the maturity were good. All the acidity were good. So it was just a long but not stressful at all harvest. So I think after my worst harvest in 2017 and my best harvest in 2018.